You've got a toy! Yes, you do. You've got a toy. Yeah. Come on. Hey, come on. No, just be nice. Okay, no, gotta keep toes away from him. Yeah, no toes. Come on. Hey, no, boy. You're going after toes now. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Yeah, because he loves chewing apart shoes. Oh, yeah, he's got a toe shoe fetish thing. I didn't even think of that until I just saw him after yours, and it's like, oh shit, forgot about that issue.
So you like that, eh?
Yeah. Cool. Cool. Careful you don't fall.
They're heavy, remember? I want it.
Yeah.
I want it.
And he'll be okay.
It's kind of heavy.
Yeah. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah. Oh, she got that silly camera again. She's got that silly camera again. Yeah. He's really clamping on my arm to play with those keys. I can feel his claws twisting as he's reefing on it. Oh, fall down.
Drop them. Drop them.
Mine. Give me.
Oh, sorry, bud. Bring him up here.
Yeah. Oh, new game. Throw him to the floor. Like a baby and with his food.
Yeah. Yep, new game.
Yeah.
That fun?
Yeah, that's the. Yeah.
I've never seen him so happy. Look how fluffy he is.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a snake to him because they attack snakes. So this.
Oh, sorry.
This is his snake.
Here you go.
Hey. There they are. No. What are you doing?
Look how fluffy she
You're being
is.
silly. No. Hi. Did you see what he did with his feathers there? Rubbed them up my face. You being silly. See, that's like an animal to him now. This is how they treat snakes.
Yeah. Hey, bud.
So he's treating those keys as a wild animal.
Hi, bud.
Hey, bud.
Hi. Easy! Hold it! Come on, chill! 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 Feathers down! Feathers down! Chill!
Yeah.
You chill!
It's hard to do a video when you're laughing and you're sneezing.
Oh, you're gonna hurt somebody, you keep that up. Yeah! Yeah? Oh, what'd he do? What did he do? Is that animal on your cage? Look. It's on your cage. Yeah. Okay. Before you rip a hole in my hand, I think it's time for you to go back in. Oh, shoot. Want to unlock that, Melissa?